Hello guys. So finally the admit card of NTA NET December 2019 is out. Now you can download it from the official website of NTA NET. So guys, if you have not already subscribed this channel, do subscribe it because this will help you to prepare for NTA NET Prepare 1. And if your subject is computer science, then of course we have a lot of collection of important questions and previous year solved questions with explanations that will help you to prepare for the same. So guys, I'm going to show you how to download the admit card of NTA NET December 2019. For that, I'm giving the link in the description box below. You can go and check it, and I'll show you the steps for the same. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you need to go to this official website of NTA NET, and that is Ugc Nta.nta.nic.in. Then there you will see download admit card option. Okay, click here. Well, so to download the admit card, what you will need is the application number. Okay, so application form is in NET December 2019 that you need to select. Then you need to put the application number. If you have forgot the application number, then you do have an option forgot the application number by clicking it for some simple process by entering your email ID or like that. You can retrieve that your application number. But I know that you already have the application form with you, the PDF copy. From that you will get the application number. After the application number, you need to enter the password. Okay, the password with which you have login. Okay, initially you have set one password while registering for Ugc NET. That password you need to enter, and after that you need to put this security pin, that is here 522S04. Do sign in, click the sign in option. Then okay, after that you will be forwarded to the candidate homepage, and there you will see this download admit card option. Okay, click it, then you will get your the admit card downloaded. It will be downloaded like this. Okay, so guys, this is the process for downloading the admit card of Ugc NET December 2019. Do remember that as the shifts are different, shifts means morning shift and evening shifts are there. So properly check your admit card that which shift you have been allocated and what is the center of your exam. So guys, all the very best for your upcoming Ugc NET examinations. I'm giving the link for the Ugc NET Paper 1 lectures that I have framed specially for you for preparing the previous year examinations solutions with explanations. Okay, and do check it. The links are given in the description below. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care and bye bye.